Leafy green vegetables are an important part of healthy diet. They're packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber but low in calories. Eating a diet rich in leafy greens can offer numerous health benefits, including reduced risk of obesity, heart disease, high blood pressure, and mental decline. There are 13 of healthiest leafy green vegetables to include. These are the 13 easy ways to eat more greens. Number 1. Sautéed kale and white beans. For decades, Italian country cooks have simmered greens and buttery white beans together. A quick version from cookbook author Holly Clegg starts with Canadian bacon browned in a pan. Next, sauté an onion on olive oil. Add a chopped kale, a can of white beans, chicken broth, and stir until the greens are tender. Canadian bacon adds meaty flavor with less fat than regular bacon. Number 2. Bok choy salad. Bok choy, a mild Chinese cabbage, gives this salad a crunchy texture. Combine chopped baby boy choy, green onions, toasted sliced almonds, and a drained mandarin oranges. For dressing, whisk together olive oil, rice vinegar, sugar, and low-sodium soy sauce. Bok choy has the disease-fighting powers of cabbage and is packed with vitamins and minerals. Number 3. Beets, greens, and black licorice. Want to serve leafy greens like a top chef? Try a salad of sliced beets and beet greens, the creation of Top Chef All-Star winner Richard Blythe. He tames the bite of the greens with shavings of black licorice. It adds a kick and a false sense of sweetness, like using cinnamon or vanilla. At his newest restaurant, The Spence, he adds a little horseradish as a final touch. Number 4. Salmon steamed in collards. Collards have big, wide leaves with a cabbage-like flavor. Chef Blaise blanches them briefly in boiling water, then plunge them into ice water. Once soft, fold the leaf over and cook salmon like a wrap. Steam the fish in the collard leaf until the salmon is tender. Here's another tip. Aim for 2 to 3 cups of veggies daily. Cook greens like cabbage count as 1 cup of veggies. For salad greens, 2 cups are equal to 1 cup of vegetables. Number 5. Southern-style greens. The true Southern way to cook collards, or the more peppery mustard greens shown here, is with chunks of ham or andouille sausage. Recipe developer Clegg, who calls Louisiana home, creates a similar flavor with turkey sausage or Canadian bacon. This cuts the fat and sodium in this favorite side dish. After browning the meat, add olive oil, onion, broth, and leafy greens until wilted. Number 6. Classic Italian sautéed spinach. For a classic Italian take leafy greens, Chef Blaise recommends sautéing garlic with red pepper. Add chopped spinach or kale and finish with a squeeze of lemon juice. Another tip, try bits of kale stems or broccoli rabe in pasta sauce. Chef Blaise says that the greens add punch and a peppery depth to the sauce. Number 7. Charred broccoli rabe. This leafy cousins of broccoli with small buds is popular in Italian and Asian cooking. Chef Blaise likes to char it briefly on a grill or under a broiler to retain the flavor. He sprinkles the cooked broccoli rabe with a few drops of Asian fish sauce, anchovy oil, or oyster sauce. They add a savory taste called umami. Number 8. Steamed shellfish with greens. Steamed mussels or clams are a great vehicle for greens. The ocean sprinkles in its own seasoning through the salt naturally found in the shellfish. Greens make this soup rustic and filling. Number 9. Cabbage roll casserole. This one-pot meal is a lot like stuffed cabbage, but it's easier to make and uses a slow cooker. Starts with ground sirloin browned in a skillet with onion and garlic, and seasoned with pepper. Place the meat, brown rice, chopped cabbage, marinara sauce, and brown sugar into a slow cooker. Cover and cook on low for 4 to 6 hours. Number 10. Dress up coleslaw. Thanks to the fruit, nuts, and seeds. Slice red and green cabbage thinly. Add sliced red bell pepper, dried apricots, corn, green onions, slivered almonds, and sesame seeds. Drizzle on a dressing made of balsamic vinegar, honey, olive oil, and garlic. Number 11. Italian wedding soup. The wedding in Italian minestra maritata soup refers to the delicious onion of meat and greens. Sauté the onion, garlic, celery, and carrots in a large pot. Next, add chicken and beef broth, oregano, and orzo pasta. Bring soup to a boil. From mini meatballs with the ground sirloin, parmesan, breadcrumbs, eggs, and seasonings. Cook the meatballs in the soup. Add baby spinach and simmer until the greens are wilted. Number 12. 8-layered Greek dip. Fresh spinach makes an appearance in this twist on Mexican layered dip. From the base to the top, it includes Mediterranean flavors. Red pepper hummus, chopped baby spinach, sun-dried tomatoes, peeled sliced cucumber, red onion, toasted pecans, low-fat feta cheese, and sliced black olives. Serve with the pita chips. 1/4 cup of dip as about 90 calories. And number 13, kale Caesar salad. It uses the frilly edges of fresh kale flavored with Asian fish sauce, Thai chilies, garlic, Parmesan cheese, and lemon juice. That's all, guys. And if you want to know the nutrients that you eat, just visit your nutritionist. And if you like this video, just comment down below and like, share, and of course subscribe my channel. Thank you so much, guys, and God bless.